today is a very special for us. What means today we are making a greeting card for our sister's birthday. Tomorrow is our sister birthday, so we did one heart shape and this. See, you can see it here.
1 second.
Yes, tomorrow is our sister's birthday. For her birthday, we are making. Actually, we thought to make a drawing in oil pastels, but they are showing that they are not good. We thought that we can make one greeting card so that she would like. Okay, we will show you how we will make it. See here, friends, we have one small heart. Then comparing to this,
Yes.
we are fixing it like this. Then we will cut it half. Let me show you how we will do it. See, we both are doing the same. She is doing with blue color. I am doing with this black color. Let's see how it will be. I am going to wear this cap. See here, if we turn like this, it will be white color. We can make this type too. See, it looks good, right? Yeah.
But this is here.
That nothing will happen. And if you want, we can shift it like this for white color. I wear white, right? Now this color. See, 2 in 1.
She is very great.
See, it looks very good. I like this hat so much, guys. Okay, let's start doing the work. Now we are going to paste some gum.
I first. Mine first. Mine.
She's always doing like this. Don't do too much.
I'm only scrolling on here. I'm not.
So you guys have to wish happy birthday, sister. Because I am not going to tell her name because you guys not subscribed yet. 100 subscribers I didn't get, so I cannot tell her name, and even I cannot present her, means I cannot show her face. So please, you guys, 200 subscribers, that I will tell her name. So you guys comment down happy birthday, sister or friend. See, Kanishka is very slow. She's doing like this, and like this. She will not do fast in anything. While she is writing, she will write A, B. Like this.
I'm not learning ABCD now.
Oh, then what are you learning now?
Hindi. 3 letters I know now.
Oh, she did something very great. No one cannot do, right, guys?
I am first standard now.
You are first standard, but her mind is like what? Grandma's mind.
This is not fair. This is not fair.
Why it is not fair?
It is not fair thing.
Okay, now do color.
Um,
Sorry, now paste the glue. Now I took her gum. Now,
Hello.
means mine gum only. When she took that will be hers itself.
It's okay. It is both of them.
Oh. Keep it like this, Kanishka mobile. See, she did like this.
For her, mine is just like see.
Keep showing them, Kanishka.
She is doing great.
I am great.
Okay. Then
She
I
is
show
asking me, you will only do everything right, you will not give for me nothing. She is telling me in secret. Nothing will happen. They are also our friends, right? They will not tell anyone. It's
She'll do this like sometimes she got angry. He'll do she. See.
What they have to see? They are seeing me only, not you. Why they should see you? You are not good enough, okay?
Okay. She's not fast. See, she's
See,
not
I am
fast.
very fast. I am very fast now. Say it, guys.
See her hand. Okay.
See here, I am doing it really fast.
Let me see.
See it? No one can do this much fast, right?
Somebody has to.
Oh, no one can beat Harshini. Do you know? Show them how I am doing.
See, Kanishka is there to do.
Show them, Kanishka, how I am doing. She is a very
great, huh?
You are not great.
She's not great.
I am very great. I am doing YouTube video. You are just being a partner and you are scoping very much. She will tell, I am doing YouTube videos, but I have to prepare her. And I have to tell her, you have to do like this.
See, mine.
See her. Let me show you, wait. See her. See, she is very nervous.
But how can I fix it? Let me look.
Wait, guys, I will help her. Keep the mobile like this. Show them.
I know how to show it.
You know everything, but you can't do, right?
Yes.
See, she knows everything in the world. If you ask her questions of 10th standard, first PU degree, everything she knows. But she can't tell and she can't write, that's all. Right, Kanishka?
No.
Then why you will not answer anything?
Oh, hold this mobile.
Oh, you should hold, Kanishka. See, you have not cut this properly.
Wow, wait. Hold it.
See, mine is also ready. Okay, now we have to cut this into half. Sit down, Kanishka. See here, we have to cut it to half. It should be done very carefully, guys. See,
I'm not gonna.
Kanishka should cut herself, because if I done everything, what else she will do? Just she will color. That's all. Then she will paste that. That is also she will not paste it neatly. I have to do again. I have to do it again and again because she is very small, baby. No. Why are you going that side? Come near, Kanishka.
This is not fair.
What are you eating, Kanishka, without me? She is eating banana chips. See here.
My favorite banana chip.
She will eat chips very much. If you gave salted potato chips, she will complete it. Full pack she will complete just in 10 minutes. Banana chips.
5 minutes. Yummy one.
Eat it. I am eating chewing gum, double mint chewing gum.
Oh, yes.
Okay, now I have to cut into half neatly. Okay, I will on the camera again. See guys, I cut into half like this.
I have to cut.
Cut it. Who told you to not to cut?
See guys, so she'll do this like hotel. She'll do every day. Sometimes I'll not eat. So
She will not eat food. I am telling you very frankly that she will not eat food. But if you gave snacks, cakes, chocolates, and dairy milk chocolates, if you gave her 10 chocolates, she will complete it with no disturb. If you gave only one chapati to eat, she will not eat. We have to play hide and seek. We have to play running race and chocolate. All we have to play to just eat chapati. Very horrible. Guys.
Oh, my heart.
See her heart. It came outside and it broke.
Of you, it is coming.
I did not do anything, Kanishka.
Aha. She will come, friends. Wait for her. Like, see? Like me. I got down now. 8 minutes, she will come. She is coming. She will come.
Why did you on the video?
It's so clear. When I'm taking a gum cap,
Oh, revenge, guys. She's doing revenge to me.
it's okay. Wait,
It's okay. I should always tell it's okay. No, I don't want.
You want?
Okay, you won. Let's see it.
My heart is broken.
That's mine.
I think you tell you for the only.
Okay. We need another white paper.
For me, she.
I'm ready. I want one scale actually. Where's yeah, here it is. They have told that actually we are seeing one YouTube video and we are doing this. We have no idea how to do all, and I am not very interested in the crafts.
But
So, okay. We need to measure it into 3 centimeter.
but how can I do?
She is very interested in doing all these activities. Last week their school has given something activity to do in the clay. See, we did it like this.
My sister helped me. She going angry, then she will come slowly.
It's very nice, right? Comment down how it is and what craft you need. Comment us. We will try to do it and it makes us so fun. We will do it for you guys. Please subscribe to our channel. We need to
Like, share, subscribe. I want something.
Please guys, if you guys subscribe within what time, September 6th, there will be a surprise for you guys. On with my friends, we are doing something special. My friends are also very good at me. They are also very what you can,
Accepted.
yeah, they are very nice to me. They are also accepting to do that.
But her one friend is coming.
No,
Namrata. Is that no? A friend.
no.
And who will come?
There are so many friends for me.
Zoha the Kaka.
No.
I'll not tell them. I don't know them names.
I will tell them names to you guys in the next video. Today only we will do that video in the same dress. See it and tell us, okay?
Tomorrow.
See, we took one strip of paper and we will do it too because for this naughty girl also need it, right, to do. She will do nothing, but she needs everything, right? And we are going to purchase it. For that video we need to purchase something, so we are going to shopping and we will make that video too. You also join us guys, okay? And comment me. I am thinking that can I make live video? Can I do it? Comment down. If you want a live session, we will do it. It's live session, not live video of us in that shopping mall. If you want, comment. I will do it live or I will do it video. If you don't want anything, then tell no, we don't want that video. Tell it like that and we will not do it. As your choice, our YouTube channel will be going on. Okay? Come on, Kanishka, where did you go again?
Drinking water.
See, we have 2 strips. Now we have to do it. I will tell you. See, it's 18 centimeter or 20 centimeter like, but the width is exact 3 centimeter. I know it because I measured it. Now you have to fold it like this.
I'm not a fold. Not like.
See guys, now I did like this by folding it both side like this and like this.
See, first me, not her.
Oh, she will not do anything. Don't believe her at any time. Believe me.
Huh? Huh?
Believe Arshini. Don't believe anyone. In what?
Believe Kanishka, not everyone. This is naughty also.
I am naughty.
Yes.
No. You are naughty.
They had do this like no. Huh? Huh?
Yes.
She will not teach me. She will do that like friends.
See, we have to paste it like this.
I
Just
will-
a minute, I will paste it and I will show you guys how it done. See it? We did not do anything.
Huh? She did. She's telling for you, friends. Not for anybody. She's telling lie for you.
Oh.
This is not.
See, in this white paper, we need to write the wishes. I'm going to write it now.
No, please, please, please.
I'm not waiting for you, Kanishka.
See here. Take.
I'm using black pen. What black? Reynolds Trimax refillable fluid ink system pen. Just Reynolds pen, Reynolds gel black pen, ink pen I'm using. Now I'm going to write happy birthday, Roshni.
You tell name for them. It is very good.
Okay, in this video for her birthday special, I'm going to tell her name. Actually, we are going to tell her name, but we made it like we did like a mistake. Not we are going to tell her name in this video. Her name is Roshni. If you want to see her face and if I want to introduce her, so please guys, for her birthday wish.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
So please guys,
Happy birthday.
make it
Happy birthday.
make it 81 subscribers to 100 subscribers and give this video at least 30 likes. Give it 30 likes and 100 subscribers, then I will surely introduce her and I will make the video of her birthday and I will post it on the YouTube. I cannot post it tomorrow, but I will post it within September 10th. Confirmly, I will. Don't make sound.
How can I stick then?
Within September 10th, I will upload a video. That's all.
I'm sticking, friends. She is not waiting for me.
I cannot wait for her, guys.
See, guys. This is not fair. Sir, no.
Okay.
Wait for me, please.
No.
All are telling yes or no.
Comment down, guys. Should I help her or not?
They will all tell for Ashini. She is very active. So active. She's like a robot.
No.
She's like a. You see that serial, no? That's like she.
Which serial, Kanishka?
I'll not tell them.
Why you will not tell?
When I'm seeing that one, you will come for the videos, no? Then I'll tell for them.
Happy birthday.
My cutie sister. Oh?
Happy birthday, my
Lovely sister.
lovely
Sister
sister
Roshni.
Roshni. Yeah, it's done. I will put one heart shape.
She like her shape. We also do something else.
See here, it has done like this.
I'm eating and I'm telling.
Closing time, opening time, guys. Okay, guys, bye. She will not do it, I know, in this video.
No. That is you.
She is talking very loudly and she is waking up everyone. So someone scolded her, so we cut that video. Okay, now she's writing. It takes some time.
Oh, she's eating Ava.
Even I also like to eat. Okay, guys. Now I'm going to end up the video.
No, I want to show. Let us
Happy birthday, Roshni.
Happy birthday
To you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to dear Roshni.
Happy birthday to you. Like this.
We will make
guys.
another video of wishing her and we will upload it on 12 o'clock. Okay, guys, bye.
Bye.
Love you all. Bye.
Bye bye.